Oh, snow. Ugh. We're stuck on the ramp.
Located in a pouch beneath your seat. Please refer to your safety features card for removal and donning instructions. Please place your seat back and chair table to the upright and locked position. Also, all carry-on baggage must be placed under the seat in front of you.
Check those brakes. is room 821 on the 8th floor of the AC Marriott Hotel in Fort Lauderdale Beach, Fort Lauderdale. And we have a oceanfront room, which is on the end here. These rooms face the ocean, and these are ocean view rooms on the side here. As you come in, this is for some light, and get your lights here. You walk in, bathrooms to the left, I'll show you that in a sec. And full length mirror, you walk in the door, everything's very clean. Nice laminate flooring, so it keeps it all very clean. And over here, just go in the room, so I'm not 100% sure, I haven't checked everything out, but it looks like you got the coffee maker, the coffee station, you got the ice bucket, a nice wardrobe area with the iron and the ironing board and hanging space, a little cubby down below, nice see-through fridge. Oh, with your glasses and 2 bottles of water in there. I think the water's extra for some and free for others that have Bonvoy membership status. Coming through the room, very nice open and airy room. On the right, first thing you see is a nice lamp with the thermostat here. You get a couple of plugs right there. Let's see what's beside the bed. Okay, we got a reading light beside the bed. We've got that controlled there, and then a nice lamp which is controlled there. You have 2 USB plugs and 2 regular normal plugs, North American, and then an on-off switch for all the power, it looks like. Nice contemporary looking phone. It even has the AC Hotels Marriott logo on there. That's interesting. A remote with Netflix already built in, which means it's a smart TV. You just have to sign into your own Netflix. Nice king size bed. On this side of the bed, we have another lamp and reading light. A clock with 2 USBs here, handy, and then 2 more USBs right here with some power outlets. Let's look under the bed. And there's even a little bit of storage. You want to put something under the bed, I guess, suitcase or shoes. So coming in from the door, bathrooms to the right, we haven't seen that yet. Very large TV. A lot of hotel info on there. Nice little bench, also be used for the luggage when you want to unpack. I think you can just put the luggage underneath there if you want to. We're only staying for 1 night, so we won't unpack too much. Another nice lamp here. And then 2 look pretty comfy chairs, nice little table, and some pillows. And then of course out here there'll be the ocean view, which I'll get back to that in a sec. Let's just go back to the bathroom for a second. Now, this is a sliding door. And a lot of people don't like these doors because of the gaps that you can see through here. So you hear a lot of noises. You can't hear a lot of noises, and sometimes you can hear things you don't want to hear, but it doesn't bother me that much. It is a frosted glass. You can't really see through it. Let's see what the light's like in here. Where is it? There we go. So with the light on though, same thing. You really can't see unless you push right against it. Very nice looking though, I must say. It's a good overhang, so there's no cracks. You can't see through. Just maybe some noise might come out. She's committing a very large shower stall. There, rainwater shower head, a wand, soaps and etceteras, conditioners and soaps. This is like a tub surround almost. It's not a tile, but it looks very clean. And nice space in there. I like that. So far, so good. Looks really good. Coming back here, nice mirror that's lit all the way around. Hair dryer in the wall. The toilet, of course, with the eco buttons, one for number 1 and one for number 2. Right there. Toilet paper in the good spot, I guess. And then underneath here, got some towels. I don't see a whole lot of towels, just those 2 bath towels. And oh, I guess there's one in there too. So I guess you could ask for more. You get soap, A bit of a shallow sink depth, but adequate. Lots of counter space though. And a little magnifying mirror here for those who like that. That's my phone. And there's me. So yeah, not bad at all. Take a look at that view and that balcony. Alright, here's this view. Oh, it's a heavy door. Oh, you got a really nice view out here. Decent sized balcony. Little noisy, but I think we're hearing construction from next door. That is one downside to this hotel. There is some construction going on down there, building a brand new condo. So be aware of that. Good restaurant right there called Casablanca. Has been there many times. They have a great happy hour. That's the hotel or a condo, pool. And then a condo building on this side. With more glass all the way around this. It's pretty nice though. It's excellent view. You like the view. And I'm assuming they give you some beach chairs or something over there. I haven't looked into that yet, but maybe I'll make a note of that. These are nice looking chairs. Got a table and a chair, glass here, and really nobody beside you, which is nice. So nobody on this side at all. And to give you a point of reference, there's the Westin where we usually stay, and the W is right behind it. So not far from the Westin. It's right where the two streets merge here into one, going that way towards Park and Ocean, towards the Westin, and then that way goes down towards the main part of Fort Lauderdale Beach. But overall, pretty nice. So first impressions, looks like a fairly nice hotel. It's fairly new, it's only about a year old. We tried to stay here once when we first came down, when we were able to, and the hotel was delayed opening, so we didn't actually do it. But we made a trip this time to just check it out again. Like I said, we usually stay at the Westin, but we wanted to try something just for tonight. The point value was good with Marriott too. I think it's 30,000 points if you're thinking about it, and down the road I think the Westin's 40,000, and then of course they all go up from there, and that can change depending on the season. As you can see, it's a pretty nice looking view, and we're only here for the one night, so I'll let you know if anything changes tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed this room tour of room 821 at the AC Marriott Fort Lauderdale Beach Hotel. If you liked the video, give it a share, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.